Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd January 2025. Vodafone Idea aims to launch 5G mobile broadband service in March 2025 with competitively priced plans. Vodafone Idea will initially roll out 5G in India's top 75 cities, focusing on industrial hubs and high data usage zones. The company plans to enhance 4G coverage and invest in dealer commissions to attract customers from Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel. India is diversifying its export basket, focusing on products like banana, ghee, solar PV modules, and alcoholic beverages. The goal is set to increase the global share of these products, targeting markets such as the US, EU, China, Japan, and more. Export revenues are expected to surge due to government incentives and global demand. Axle has raised $650 million for its 8th India fund. With this, the venture capital firm's total investment commitment to India will reach close to $3 billion. It had raised another $650 million for its 7th round in March 2022. Axle, which earned a 35 times return on its $20 million investment in Swiggy after the food delivery platform's listing in November, is aiming to increase its focus towards India. Its investment in Black Buck, which was also listed in November, has yielded gains of 4 to 5 times. Viacom 18 Media, a media and entertainment company, has become a direct subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited. This shift follows the conversion of over 24.61 crore compulsory convertible preference shares into an equivalent number of equity shares. Specialized quick commerce models are emerging as new hotspots, with at least half a dozen ventures primed to raise capital. Startups enabling quick commerce deliveries are also closing deals. 10-minute food delivery startup Swish, which is negotiating a $15 to $20 million round to expand operations in Bengaluru and other metros, has held talks with Elevation Capital, Peak 15 Partners, and other global funds, including from the UK. A Morgan Stanley report from November estimated the quick commerce market at anywhere between $25 billion to $55 billion by 2030, depending on favorability. It is estimated at around $7 billion at the end of 2024. As India enters the new year, the government has prioritized the simplification of direct and indirect tax policies, aiming to reduce compliance burden and foster a taxpayer-friendly environment. After significant progress in 2024, including reviewing the Income Tax Act 1961 and initiating discussions on GST rate rationalization, 2025 is set to witness transformative changes in the nation's tax ecosystem. With a focus on rate rationalization, technological upgrades, and streamlined compliance, 2025 promises significant progress in India's tax policies. These measures will not only simplify taxation for individuals and businesses, but also reinforce India's commitment to a transparent and efficient tax ecosystem. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.